After the
Huwag ka
goal.
magko-comment sa kape.
Ba't
After the goal.
Huwag ka magko-comment.
ba't iniinom mo? Wait.
Who is
Hindi,
it?
I said huwag ka magko-comment.
No,
Sa
no.
lasa, huwag ka magko-comment.
Who is it?
Sabihin mo, masarap pa rin.
He do
Sarap
like,
pa.
he do like this. After the goal.
Bakit?
Ay. Sabi.
El Sharawi.
Ano meron?
El Sharawi, I know him.
El Sharawi.
Huwag ka
If he was
magko-comment.
Italian.
Huh?
I asked
Di ba
if it's
matabang?
Italian.
Yeah, it's Italian, but
Original.
not of
Mas,
origin.
hindi, masarap yan.
Yeah, he's from Egypt originally.
Masarap.
Yeah, but he's not Italian pure.
So,
Yeah, he still plays for the Italian team.
Yeah.
Masama.
Go.
Always.
Huwag ka
Every goal.
magko-comment.
He was my favorite player on FIFA.
El Sharawi.
You know, he wanted to go to the Egyptian
Oh, tapos
football
matabang
team.
lang.
really?
But then they said no, go
Effort
to Italy.
sabihin mo lang.
Why?
Because he's too good.
Sa akin yun.
Yeah.
The Egyptians said,
Ay, ala, so
no, don't come to
Hindi.
the Egyptian national team, go to the
Ala.
Italian because you're a good player and you can do better things in
El
Italy.
Sharawi, it's...
Si Kisses kasi.
Yung matatawa kasi gumagaling yung tubig.
Tubig?
Actually.
Tubig?
Tubig.
Sagot ka magpaiban.
Always. Marco,
Also straight.
what's in the game? After the goal?
Ano naman? Lagi. Ano naman?
Ate Teens,
Ha?
join with yung PSG.
True.
On the day that you were born.
Kasi ako yung narinig sa isang araw.
Di favorite kasi.
Hindi, yung isang line lang, hindi mo tinatapos.
Yung on the day.
Hinintay ko yung
Huwag mo
time
ano
na
yung
makabugod
kilay.
ka na. Ay, bugi. Kamukha niya nga simulan.
Sino nga simulan?
Oo.
I know how to do that.
Prinsesa yun.
Oh, pero ano? Warrior!
At least.
Pagkakat na, hindi na nga mo. Ano mo siya? Kung sino simulan.
Why do birds?
Bisaya ka.
Okay.
Sarado mo, pinto, may gagawin ako.
Go shout it.
Kuya Marco, magbabalik ka.
Ayan! Hala, kuya! Mali, dapat nakataas yung ulo mo.
You see,
Hindi dapat kasi. Oo,
Baka-
kamay mo lang yung nakagano.
Baka ano ba, madisgrasya.
Kamay lang yung nasa baba.
Kuya Marco, huwag kang ganyan. Guwapo ka pa rin.
Kaya pa pala.
Ako nga nabalian ng kamay, tapos ikaw ganyan ka pa.
Saan yung nabalian?
Nabalian na rin ako sa skate.
Naputo nito. Kasi may bata na malaki sa akin.
Taas ang ulo no.
Kinarga ko. Pinaiwan ako ng nanay ko. Huwag mo
Sinasamay,
yung kargahin, baka malaglag kayo.
boing, boing.
Ipilit naman yung shot na lagay namin.
Marco, there is a hole in your jacket, you know? Where? The sleeve here.
Gusto mong kutsara?
I'll show you later. It's
Toothpick
cool.
lang, toothpick.
No, wait.
It's my jacket. I have to see.
Hinahanap ko kamay ko sa putikan mga
But it's fixable, don't worry. Even I, with a needle, I can fix this. All you have to do is stitch it back here again. It's okay, it's fine.
Tapos pa ako naman. Yung pa ako naman, naipit sa normal lang.
Oh, no.
It's good. It happens to every jacket, man. You know that, right?
On the day that I bought you, the angels got together. And on the day that you got torn, the angels got all together.
No one will use it anymore.
The day that I
Even
bought
me.
you, my ex has got
That
to
jacket is my life.
I have to repair it.
I have a lot of memories with that jacket.
Like what?
Yeah, I had a lot of memories with this pair of underwear. This is me.
Everything. Girlfriend, stupid things, everything. School, presidents,
President.
presidents, the presidents of the school. When
The,
you
Have you run for the school council?
I've been class president in the school. The only time you can run is is in the last year of school for us. So you can become school president, school representative during the final year. And that's
So
what I
it's
plan to do.
basically useless.
No, it's not. Look, the reason I'm actually gonna do it is for
Do what?
my city, school representative.
Me, I'm gonna run for. I was running for president na.
no,
Before
not
I came
running
in
for
here.
president.
No, I
And
know.
The president
No,
called
that's
you.
what we're talking about. School
Different
president,
topic.
which is like,
Cut the school council.
yeah.
Before I won for grade 8 representative, then I ran for vice president. I did not win, but I felt that this time is the time for me, president. Because a lot of people, they said, oh, go run for president. go run for
5'6" and a
president."
half.
Yeah. A lot of people told me to
Parang
run.
5'7" na.
So that's what I did.
I think I can.
So I have nothing to do.
Pero feel ko hindi na ako tataas. Kasi 8. Tapos na yung 18 ko. Pero
Thing
okay
is,
na yun.
Pero di ba ate,
Oo, okay
at
na. Okay
least
na to. Ayoko na. Oo, at least. Kasi
nag-18,
nga.
ano ka, dito pa sa ano, parang na-experience mo yung 18th birthday mo dito pa sa PBB.
I-request ko talaga kay Kuya
Talaga.
na ano, 18, ano yan? Sabi ko kay
18 roses.
18 roses and candles.
Then si ano tong si...
Yung isang rose mamang na naiwan mo nun sa swertin ball, yung sa akin sa room. So may kama lang.
Yeah, the girls also buy their Aranola.
I just
Shows
get
how
one
much respect they
petal
have
of
for it.
the roses.
Yay! Kompleto na ang girls.
Sa puwet. Iibit sa puwet. Pero yung iba sa boobs dito. Oh, meron ganun. Pera tinatago dito.
Ah, wala. Yung tita.
Pera?
Ikaw, ma'am.
Mga auntie ko. Wala akong mga ano.
Wala ka matataguan. Si Edward.
Huh?
Never mind.
I didn't say anything, my. I heard boobs and I didn't.
Kaliwaw. Nakakainis ito sa box na to.
Rita, can you pass me the...
Ganda talaga ng
Do
jersey.
you think you? Oh, stomach ache.
Sakit leg po, sakit leg. Sakit chan, sakit chan. Makita kang baby, akong nakita.
Hindi ako talaga mapakali pag nandyan na si Rata Evans.
Mafaya. Mga veve.
Hello.
Noon. Amay taka.
Sonny Codaizo.
Song we need evening.
Eh, nakakainis to eh.
May gusto ko umupo dyan kasi tinatamad ako kasi sobrang bloated ako.
A string man.
Feeling ko hindi ako makatayo. Wala naghuhugas ng plato.
Kasi nga lang.
Alam mo, sobrang glycemic kasi
Kung wala lang pinapagawa si Kuya, huhugasan ko na yan.
Kaya sobrang tatamarin ka gumalaw.
yun
Pag
nga eh.
kumain ka ng chocolate.
Wee!
Lap trip yung ano.
Chris!
Yung pagtulak sa yung moment na sobrang bilis, napahawak ka sa reels. May ganun. Sobrang
Crisory.
Siguro, ay, Ate Mai siguro.
Crivory.
Bye,
Mai.
Chan.
Ate Mai Mai.
Parang paibot.
Si Ate Mai Mayo.
Vision is
Siguro isang sapatos kasi sa
Vision.
Venetian.
gantong kulay.
Abo!
Ganda naman ng sapatos mo. Di
Bigay ito sa akin. Tapos yung isa bigay sa akin.
ng love team nila. Siya pa mismo nagsabi ng love team nila. Ano daw?
What about
Viv. Vice Chan.
Marbury is better.
Yeah, Marver is the best.
Natatay ako sa gitna.
Ala, bilisan mo.
Kaya nga.
Marbury.
It's back.
Stop biting your nails.
Why not?
Stop. Pero.
Have you ever
Ayan
flicked
na.
someone's?
Kaloka, no?
we are just